The next one that we have to talk about are old appliances. Now, this last week, my washing machine broke. After 13 years, it just conked out. It just died. It wouldn't turn on. And we've had a funeral in the family. And my first thought was, I just can't deal with this right now. I just can't deal with my washing machine right now. And I just wanted to put it off. The challenge is this: while there's stuff going on in our lives, the interesting thing for me is, because I have hoarding tendencies, my first thought is, I'll deal with it later. Okay. Not a priority. I'll deal with it later. I have to stop and say, wait a second, if I walk myself through the scenario, this is where it gets good. So in the back of my head, if I can't deal with it right now, and I found out that my washer broke when I went to do my laundry, what that means is I have laundry that needs to be done right now. If I put this off, while I don't have time to make a phone call right now and have a repairman come to my house and fix my washing machine, what this means is at some point, I'm going to end up with more dirty laundry, and I'm going to have to take time out of my schedule, and I'm going to have to go all the way down to the coin laundry, and I'm going to have to wait while my laundry washes at the coin laundry. And then what? I'm going to do it again the next week and the next week and the next week because I didn't get it fixed. There's never going to be a better time than right now. So if I know this about myself and I know that I'm a procrastinator because it's not a priority right now and I don't have time to deal with it right now, that's exactly why I should deal with it right now. So I contacted my husband and I said, can you make a phone call and can you get somebody out here to fix the washing machine? And you know what he told me? I don't have time right now. I'm not able to do it right now. Do you know what that means? That means either I can put it off and find myself in a sad situation where I have clothes that have piled up. And again, I'm going to have to go to the coin laundry and I still have to get my washing machine fixed. Or I'm going to have to stop what I'm doing right now. I'm going to have to stop and make the phone call and get somebody out here. Oh no, that means I'm going to have to be here when the repair guy comes, right? It's okay. Let's just go ahead and deal with it right now. So I did. I got on the phone. He said, no problem. We can come out. He came out. He fixed the washing machine. He had to order a part. And then he was able to come out and get the washing machine fixed. Okay. So if you have old appliances that have not been dealt with, that have not been fixed, are you going to fix them or are you going to replace them? Right? So there are reasons people hang on to stuff and there's a reasons that they let it go. And there are reasons they put it outside on their front porch and they hope that, I don't know what, it's going to get fixed or something's going to happen. So if you have old appliances, it might be a sign that you have hoarding tendencies. Again, it's not bad. It's not right. It's not wrong. It's just a sign. So if you have broken appliances, whether it's a toaster, whether it's a waffle iron, whether it's an iron that you use to iron your clothing with, whether it is a larger appliance like a refrigerator or a stove or a washing machine or a dishwasher, if you have an extra appliance that hasn't been dealt with, this is a good time to stop and just deal with it and say, hey, what's going on here, right? It doesn't mean anything's right or wrong. It just means it might be a good time to have a conversation.